why Rotary starts here in our district. Yes, come July 4th, 2026, all Rotarians, Rotractors and friends from all 7 states of Rotary District 9142 will converge in the historic socio-political, economic capital of the Southeast for a double celebration of the installation of the 10th District Governor, the Odogu of 9142, Rotarian Chibuzo Hilary Asogwa, and the 10th year anniversary of District 9142. Theme: Our Legacy of Service, the Promise of Tomorrow, a decade strong, forever serving. Join us as the entire district welcomes the incoming Star District Governor in the Star Year of 2026. STAR stands for Service, Teamwork, Action, and Results. It's the 4th of July 2026 in Enugu State, Nigeria for the 10th installation of the District Governor and the 10th anniversary of Rotary District 9142. Plan to be there. Registration details to be announced. See you there. Rotary is good.
Enugu gemunti, genda kanunti.